Good Saturday morning. We are ready to head to the Chicago Boat Show. We got the whole crew.
Yay!
Crew from Half Nuts, Captain Billy, and we are on our way to the McCormick Center for the 2018 Chicago Boat Show. So come along. Wonderful Chicago traffic jams. Everybody's going to the boat show. Here we are, downtown Chicago, getting closer to the show.
Inch by
Inch, setting in traffic. Alright, we're at the McCormick Center parking garage. And we are headed over.
Stop it, William.
So here we are at the Chicago Boat Show 2018. The whole crew just got in. So we're gonna go check out the big boats first and then check out the rest of them. So come along. We are at the Springbrook Marina booth. As you can see here, this is where all the big boats are at. So we are waiting in line to go on the leader 46-foot first. That tray.
Huh?
Here's a tray.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought after I said.
Oh, I like that plate. Oh, it's slippery. I know, it's slippery. So they will let you go down.
Oh, you can't get down and see the...
I can you can go down.
Can't get over it. Let me film in here once. Alright, on to the next one. It'll be here waiting on us. Alright, she said it's going to be here waiting on us, so...
Are you coming to the open house next week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're about to board the Prestige 46, and then after that, the Prestige 50, the big boats. Pretty cool boats. Is this your next boat?
Yeah.
Oh, sold. Sorry. I was going to buy it, but it's sold.
We'll get you another one, though.
Give him another one? You
Don't let
probably got
that
another one,
stop
huh? All right. Oh, I like it. I say, what's not to like about a 50-foot Prestige?
Oh my gosh.
How are you? Good, thank you.
Holy Moses.
Oh, this is not.
You can't see over the front?
See under.
Need a booster?
Yeah, this is what I want.
Yeah, isn't that nice? That
But see, these are the hybrids too, where they're touchscreen and they have the things.
touch screens.
Well, they got everything blacked off, don't they?
Yeah, they do. You used to be able to see more.
category.
You remember us, Zach?
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
Oh yeah. This is probably like the engine diagnostics.
Oh yeah, Volvo Penta. That would be. Got the joystick. What are you doing?
Get a drink, a beverage.
An adult beverage? We're gonna get us some beach drink, island drinks, something nice and summerish. Something fruity.
Something fruity.
Something fruity. Debbie.
It's good seeing you guys.
Hello. How have you been?
You're the best. Now I got a bag.
Look at that.
You should sign up to win the Yeti cooler.
Oh, that'd be
Okay.
nice, wouldn't it? She's rocking her Waukegan
I
wear.
see that.
He had to
I
go
got
over to
my
the boat and get
replay,
it for
but-
me today.
Yeah, I had to go to the boat. She said, I gotta wear my Waukegan sweatshirt.
They're all in the same fit.
That's right, that's
That's
true. It
right.
is all the same, isn't it? Are you having fun at the boat show? Oh yeah. We are having fun at the boat show. We're getting ready to go here Veneto. See what it's all about. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a basement area. Let's go check a look.
That's freaky.
Wow. Nice teak floor. What do you think? This one work?
This is pretty cool.
Elite's Captain's Package. Just an ice maker or just storage, I wonder? Oh, wine glass. Wine.
Look how this is open under here.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
So many things.
What's in here?
You can't see over it.
You can't see over the windshield?
What? Maybe they made this boat.
This gentleman was in front of us.
I know, I just had a whole Zoom. Come here. I thought this would be a safer few minutes.
Let's go check out the rinkers. Here's a nice rinker. Beautiful helm. Oh, look at that deck. It goes down underneath. This is inside the Rinker 290.
So if you like what we're doing, please